guys, my name is Sharena and today I'm at Zandvoort to film a beach day. It's really hot today, so me and my friend are going to take a swim later. We're at her beach house, so let's take a look. Hey, I'm back. It's really hot and I'm sweating like crazy. And I'll probably be a lobster tomorrow because I'm turning red from the sun. Really awkward. But as you can see, the beach is beautiful. It's not really that dirty at all. And there's the beautiful sea. There's people right over there who keep staring at us and it's really annoying. Oh cool. Now we're at the sea and I hope you can hear me and I'm not yelling at you because it's really windy out here and I can almost... Ooh, I hate those things. They're so big. Hello, birdie. Feel to see if it's cold or not. Ooh. Ah, it's pretty cold, but I like it, especially with this weather. It's really nice. It's beautiful out here. We're gonna look at the fishes right over there. Go there. Right over there. Yes, them. So I will see you when I'm there. Bye. So we just got some shrimps in the sea and now we cooked them and now we're eating them. So it's still really hot and I tanned a little bit. I'm not a lobster. Yes. And now I'm going outside sunbathing again and the sea is getting closer. It's really awesome. Let's take a look. Because of the weather, my hair is turning lighter than it already is. It's turning frizzy and it's really annoying. Look at this! Well, I maybe look like a lobster, but I'm not. I'm really happy. I'm a little thinner than I already was. So, yeah, I get more freckles than normal. Look at those. Well, I'm going back out because it's hot inside. We're going to barbecue now with chicken and I love it. It's really hot, still really hot. It's so beautiful out. some fruit right now. It's really nice. It's already beautiful outside and the sun is gonna set soon, so I'm gonna watch that. And then later we're gonna swim in the pool close to the beach with my friends and my brother. Stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumb up. Please subscribe to my channel and peace out.